good, everybody? Nice day out today. I just got done straightening up and cleaning our storage unit, and just wanted to show everybody how well it turned out. I kind of organized everything. I put boards down on the floor right down there so that if it does rain and it floods, none of this stuff will get wet. This is all stuff that we've collected from cleanups and garage cleanouts and other stuff of that sort. A lot of this stuff is things that I'm probably going to sell eventually. These are the 3 lawnmowers we just picked up in cleanup days, you guys. The first one is missing some parts and it's been taken apart. The second one just needs a muffler put on it. And the third one needs a new coil put on it because somebody has cut it apart and taped it onto the spark plug. Anyway, we got a big air conditioner sitting there and a bicycle and some chainsaws. I got about a half a dozen of them there. A couple of air compressors back there in the corner and a dartboard that works. Antique fan. Some car ramps, a weed whacker, a floor jack, a roto-zip, sawzall, and a vintage ventilator, which is a little silver box there. And then that little teeny box is easy outs. And we have some stuff on the wall as well here. Some cue sticks we found. A easy rim that's hanging on the wall there by that black hose. Bolt cutter, a shop light, some brake tools, and a bungee cord, a funnel, some lawnmower blades, a couple of vacuums that don't work, and we got this here. This is a big spool of wire, this kind of wire. It's completely full too, look at there. It's really heavy. Got a belt sander there, it's missing some pieces. I want to show everybody this box here. This box, the box underneath is completely full, untouched, but these look to be like framing or carpet staples of some kind. We're going to be selling them as well, and I got a whole crate of antique window weights here. All the 2 different sizes. There's the long ones, they're as long as the crate, and then there's some shorter ones there. They're on the top. Then we got some hand tools, and down below that we got some power tools. We got a whole bunch of ohm meters here. I'll show everybody this quick. Got all the wires that go with them too, and they all work. Look at there, guys. Anybody looking for a nice meter? I mean, this will make a good package deal. I'll sell all 5 of them at once, as is. Then we got underneath there's a tap and die set. There's 2 soldering iron kits. And then there's, that's pretty much about it. Got a whole bunch of solar lights. And that's our storage unit, everybody. You got an old thermidor convection oven, microwave convection oven there. It doesn't work. And what else have we got here? I've been ripping flat screen TVs apart for the boards. We got a basketball hoop. We got a 150-foot cord. We got a vintage pan there hanging on the wall. And that shop light I told you all about already. But here's what I've been doing here. I've been gutting these boards out of these TV sets. And then I got this thing here. I don't know quite what it is. I'm thinking it's a fence for a power saw or something. I could be wrong. There's all the chainsaws we got. Got a kerosene can down there. And a bicycle there. Got a for melting adhesive on rubber roofs. It could be used like a flamethrower as well. So yeah, there it is, everybody. Long-awaited cleaning out of our storage unit. Now we got plenty of room to bring in more stuff, so I'm looking forward to that. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out our playlist for more videos like this, and we have a bunch of new stuff coming here soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye.